makikita natin, ang New Zealand, basically, hindi nagpadala ng pressure ng Chinese government. And still, ipinalabas nila ito and nanalo pa nga ng award in which they also recognize yung documentary film. Pero para sa akin, bago natin ikundina ang China sa pag-pressure sa New Zealand, somebody has to explain kung bakit ito hindi ipinalabas dito sa Pilipinas at hindi naging part ng festival. The documentary film that was produced, actually coordinated with Coast Guard and of course the Armed Forces of the Philippines, for them to have these video footages that can really show ang sakripisyo ng ating mga mangingisdang Pilipino and the hardship na pinagdadaanan din ng ating mga Coast Guard sailors and the Philippine Navy sailors in carrying out the resupply operation. But kung hindi natin ito ipapalabas dito at ang mga tanging banyagang bansa lamang ang makaka-appreciate at magre-recognize dito, I think that's the problem, where the problem begins. And that is something that we should really address right now. I think the Filipino people deserves to see kung ano ang laman ng documentary film na to, kung bakit gano'n na lamang ang ginagawa ng China para pigilin ang pagpapalabas nito sa New Zealand. That is Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival documentary.